Flav City family, what is up? It is a lovely day here in South Florida, and it's gonna get even better because when one Mr. Bradley P and myself are gonna go into that Trader Joe's that has that amazing palm tree right by the sign and show you the top 5 things to buy at Trader Joe's for summer. We're talking drinks, we're talking snacks, we're talking grilling and chilling. What are the best items to buy so you buy and you put the best quality stuff in your body when it comes to Trader Joe's shopping. Before we get into TJ's, you know the drill, my friends. Like, subscribe, share. It's the only way the channel keeps growing. But I also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Thrive is like a 6-year supporter of the channel, and why I love them is because they have pretty much everything you would find at any grocery store for cheaper. You save about $32 per order, and that box comes to your door. You never have to go outside, and I got you the hookup right now, and Flav City fans are loving it. When you click the link down below, you get 25% off your first order. You get a free gift up to $31. One of those gifts is a bottle of Primal Kitchen ranch and avocado oil, and it's 30 days risk-free. So if you're like, Bobby, I can't see anything. So Bobby, if you don't love it, you can always cancel. I can't see anything. You can always cancel and get your money back. But the link is somewhere down below. Check it out. You're gonna love Thrive Market. Less talking, more shopping. Let's get into Trader Joe's.
Hopefully they can see the link better than we can see the
Yes,
screen.
they all said, Bradley. There it is, folks. The ultimate drink for the summer heat. This is a twofer. The best coconut water and the best coconut smoothie ever. This is the pink non-processed coconut water. It's very similar to like Harmless Harvest. What's cool about this is that it's not highly pasteurized, it's not from concentrate, it's Thailand coconuts, but these are the ones that taste like you're on the beach in Thailand with that delicious coconut in your hand. It's because it's not pasteurized with heat, it's pasteurized with pressure, dun, 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 under pressure, and because of that, there's still living nutrients in here, but for the summertime when it's hot, it not only tastes great, and the price is not only right, but there's natural electrolytes in there. As good as this is even better. This is a combination of that luscious pink coconut water, but combined with coconut meats, right? The white coconut meat. So what does that mean? Not only has electrolytes, but it also has healthy saturated fats, because yes, coconuts have healthy saturated fats, don't believe the other ones, but it has MCTs. The MCTs are the medium chain triglycerides, great for energy, great for brain health. I love MCTs. You get that in here with the coconut water. With the electrolytes, that is winning the summer game. I would go with either one of these on a hot summer day. Yeah, baby. Honorable mention, we talked about this in the last haul video. We finally got an email back. They got back to Brad. How many weeks later? Like 2.5?
I think, yeah, maybe
3 or 4 weeks later, they confirmed this is 100% New Zealand grass-fed milk butter, which is one of the only on the market, and it's $3.29. That is amazing. Cheaper than Kerrygold and 100% grass-fed. Get that butter, baby. I'm so excited about that. I would never buy the salad dressings in the middle aisle here at Trader Joe's, or to be honest, mostly in the middle aisle at any grocery store. Go here. You're having a barbecue, you're having a picnic, you're gonna make a big salad. These are cold pressed dressings, right? They're not high pasteurized. And this is my favorite right here, the Green Goddess dressing. Look at the ingredients on the front. Look at cold pressed. So it's cold pressed and only pasteurized with pressure, once again, not the high heat. But look at these ingredients here. This is unbelievable. Avocado meat, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, extra virgin and regular olive oil, no cruddy canola oil in there. Fantastic, 1 net carb. This one is my favorite, but I noticed that there's a new player here. The vegan Caesar game, right? I guess they're trying to take on maybe like Primal Kitchen, right? This is like their version of it. Vegan meaning there's no eggs in here. But look at those ingredients. So it does have the tofu with the soybeans. It is not organic, but Trader Joe's says that everything is non-GMO, so we'll have to trust them. But the rest of the ingredients are fantabulous. There's even a dash of cinnamon in there to tickle the old taste buds. This is great, but still, I'd rather get Green Goddess, followed right behind spicy cashew butter. Man, it's got the perfect amount of spice to tickle your taste buds in all the right places. This is such a bummer. Brad and I cannot find any Bobby-approved hummus for the summertime because we need our hummus for grilling and chilling and dipping vegetables in. They all have cruddy oils. This is the classic hummus. What's the oil in there? Boom, canola oil, highly processed, highly inflammatory, and we keep looking. I thought maybe the organic hummus, right, would have olive oil, which should be the only oil in hummus? And it does, right? Extra virgin olive oil, but first it has organic sunflower oil. They always do that. They cut it because money, right? Mr. Wonderful. EVOO is expensive. Sunflower is cheap. So unfortunately, there's no Bobby approved oils here, or hummus here, because the oils are cruddy. Same is true with any grocery store. You should only buy hummus that use extra virgin olive oil, or some use no oil at all. The other ones are really highly processed and highly inflammatory. You gotta stay away. Such a bummer. All right, if you're gonna fire up the grill this summer, or something I highly recommend doing, this is one of the only grocery stores in the country I know about that sells, look at this, whole heirloom pasture-raised chicken. But it's not just pasture-raised. It's slow-grown chicken, and it's heirloom. Now, pasture-raised is the only kind of chicken we eat at home, and I'll tell you why in a second. But I've never seen pasture-raised at the grocery store that's also heirloom variety. The difference between heirloom and any other chicken at any other grocery store, even organic, is that even organic chickens and regular are made of two breeds of chicken that are designed to get very fat very quickly. Heirloom and slow grown are the same kind of chickens your grandpappy grew up on, so they're much tastier and much meatier. The skin gets crispier. All this other chicken is indoor in hen houses, so I haven't tried it yet because I like my Cook's Venture heirloom chicken from Thrive Market, but try that. The price is right. You can get this whole chicken for $7. If you've tried it, tell me if you notice if it's considerably better than the other chicken here. And then they do have two amazing sausages to throw on the grill. This is such a great deal. This is 100% grass-fed organic hot dogs with ingredients that are too legit to quit. Look at the seasonings on there. Nutmeg, mace, ginger. These are classy as can be. One net carb. These are great, and these are great too. Organic, non-GMO, sweet Italian sausage here. Look at these ingredients. Non-GMO chicken, good spices, no filler, all thriller. So here, boom goes the dynamite. Get those, throw that on the grill too. That's winning the grilling game. We all know I'm a huge fan of Spindrift. It's one of the only sparkling flavored waters that does not have natural flavors. All the other ones have it. They have a good variety here at Trader Joe's. Maybe Target has a better one. But if you want to stick in the land of TJ's, this is a super cool drink. This is their version of Spindrift. Here, it's flavored with blood orange juice and orange juice. I love blood orange juice. It's so darn delicious. And the cool thing is, it doesn't have natural flavors, which once again are just another word for artificial flavors. And there's no added sugar. It's interesting though, because it's 4 cans for $3.29. And this one is 8 cans here for $5.99. So it's actually cheaper to get the Spindrift. But Spinny doesn't have the cool flavor like blood orange and orange. But for some reason, I wouldn't get this one here. This one is cranberry lime. I don't know why they have the need to add natural lime flavor. And that's it. Just put real lime juice in there. That's a super bummer. But macros are where it's at because there's only 3% juice and the rest is water and bubbles. And the reason why you want to stay away from the other flavored ones, and pretty much 99% of any other flavored one, is even when you see something like lemon sparkling water, there's never real lemon juice, my friend. There's always natural flavors. And the reason why I don't like them, I talked about it before, is there's nothing natural about them. They're developed in a lab with a scientist. Up to 100 chemicals are designed to make that lemon flavor exactly how the brand wants it. It's bad news. So you don't have to worry about it. Just put that garbage down and get seltzer or Spindrift for the win. This is super, super misleading. Imagine buying a big bag of chips, tortilla chips like this. How much is in there? It's like 1/3 full. That's crazy, okay? And this is not the kind of chip you want to buy for the summer. Even though it's organic corn tortilla chips, what kind of oil's in there, Brad?
Organic expeller pressed veggie.
Yeah, you don't want, even though it's organic, even though it's expeller pressed, you do not want these processed plant-based oils. These are inflammatory. These are bad for you. Instead, forget about the corn. I've talked about this before. This could be one of the best chips at any grocery store. These are grainless, paleo tortilla chips cooked in the best in class avocado oil. So once again, processed inflammatory oils, pretty much all these chips has it. This is heart healthy, non-inflammatory avocado oil. No grains, no gluten, chia seeds, the magical pet that grows. This bag is like their version of Siete, but it's way chipper. It's way chipper and cheaper. That on the summertime barbecue table, yeah, baby. That's the best cookie mix they have here. That one's fantastic.
Yeah.
Almond flour based, coconut sugar, it's the best one.
Really?
Oh, it tastes great too. I think when I did it, it was roughly about 12 cookies. Yeah, really good.
That way you can't eat too many.
Exactly, you can't eat too many. I like the way you think. We got a new item alert, repeat new item alert, and it's very summer themed. It's called, oh, look at that, Magnificauce, a tangy sauce of secret proportions. Oh, this is like their version of secret sauce. They can't keep it a secret because they have to put the ingredients on there. Let's see. Oh, the secret is out. It's made with highly processed, highly refined canola oil. The relish has cane sugar. There's more cane sugar in there. Everything else is pretty clean, but oh man, that's too much. That's 5 grams of added sugar per 2 tablespoons. So for every 2 tablespoons, you're getting just over a teaspoon of added cane sugar. Now, homie, don't play that game, right? Use my version of keto clean, sugar-free secret sauce. I'll put the link down below. It's also in our first cookbook, Keto Meal Prep. I put it on a shrimp burger, and it's with avocado oil mayonnaise, not highly processed, highly refined canola oil. So even though it says Magnificauce, I tend to disagree just a little bit. So I put it back and make Bobby's Magnificauce instead. All right, family, that is it. Great music here today at Trader Joe's. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Who sings this again? Gnarls Barkley?
Charles Barkley.
Charles, someone.
After a couple drinks.
Who sings that song? You make me crazy. Whoever it is. That's what's to buy at Trader Joe's now here in the summertime. It's always fun to come to TJ's because there's new and exciting things coming all the time, but especially this TJ's. They welcome us with open arms here, which is so crazy because in Chicago, they would chase us out with a stick. That's it. If you have other video ideas, leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe, share. It's the only way the channel keeps growing, but it's also the only way we help you all put the best quality stuff in your body. For Bradley, P, and myself, and the whole gang here in South Florida, we leave you like we always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Who sings this song? Crazy.